Kia ora, everyone. It's Nathan Rose here in beautiful Auckland, New Zealand. So, a few weeks ago, I was meeting with a client of ours who's embarking on their low code journey. They're looking to bring the Power Platform into their organization. And I was there to talk about enablement and governance and all of that fun stuff. Anyways, in the course of the meeting, they start describing some of the individuals who work in this organization. And I start to get excited. And I tell them that there's going to be people who work there, people they probably never would have expected, who are going to latch on to these low code technologies and become experts in Power Automate and Power Apps and Copilot Studio and all of these things. I went on to say that many of the current Microsoft MVPs in Power Platform land don't come from traditional technical backgrounds. We have former groundskeepers, we have former hairdressers, we have former clerks, we have former salespeople, just to name a few, serving as Microsoft MVPs in the Power Platform space. So, as you embark on your low code journey, far too often we focus on what could go wrong. What happens if IT loses control? What if there's too many Power Apps? What if we have a breach? And look, I'm not saying that stuff isn't important. It is. However, we don't focus enough on what could go right when you adopt Power Platform and low code strategies and technologies. How it will completely transform both the organization and the individuals who work there as they discover new abilities and career paths that previously were unavailable to them. So, as you embark on your low code journey, you need to focus on governance, but focus on what could go right because it is incredible. All right, that's it from me. We got some amazing toys from Microsoft at Ignite this week. So go do something awesome on the Power Platform today, and I'll talk to you all soon.